What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Fredbear59, where today we are playing Minecraft. The Hive. We are playing Minecraft The Hive. I've just made this video, and apparently I can only go for 15 minutes. And so I'm kind of mad that I can only go to 15 minutes. But I've already been playing and all of that, so that's why I'm already sheriff. But I'm kind of mad already that I can only do this for 15 minutes only. Because that's, you know, why? Hey, look, there's a Preston. There's a Wild Preston. Wild Preston! What you guys should do is that, you guys obviously see me, right? I am Fredbear59. Hi, how's it going? So, this is an example. See this guy right here? If you watch my videos and you wanna just see me, just hit me like that, and I'll be like, oh, okay, that means hello, and I'll hit you back. And because in Minecraft language, that means hello. So, if you guys wanna do that, obviously I'm this guy, and my name would be Fredbear590. Remember? Fredbear590. I already have Mischief in this guy. It's not this guy, though. So, yeah, like I said, yeah, like I said, if you guys want to do that, you can. I know I'm doing this kind of early, but I mean, like, hey, sorry. I just want to get everything in here quick and all of that. I'll make this 10 minutes long, just because, you know, just make it 10 minutes long. I just wanted to play this because I wanted to celebrate. Whatever I'm talking about, it might be a little random. Yeah, I know, I get it. I'm a random person like that. Please don't judge about that. Well, you don't have to judge, but, you know, just, I'm weird like that. Who is it? I don't know who to blame. Man, whoever's sheriff, I mean, not sheriff, I'm sheriff. It's not Preston. Presty. It's not Presty, right? Let's keep an eye on Presty. Let's keep an eye on this dude. Oh, well. It's okay. You are saved. Hi. Presty! Every time I hear the Preston skin, I'm always like, oh yeah, it's Presty. Just because Presty sounds funny. It sounds funny, so I'm saying, oh look, it's Presty. Presty! I don't have Optifier. Is that what you call it? I don't have that on, so, you know, I'm not that good of a YouTuber. I've never been that good! I'm kidding. No can fam 0922. Okay. But like I said, if you guys want to see me, and you guys watch my videos and you guys know me, and I'm playing the Hive Murder Mystery, you guys can just come here and you can just hit me with my attention. You can do that. Hey, I'm a big fan of Presty. So you have a skin on, but you're not Presty. You're still cool though. Should I just do parkour? This guy. Okay, it's not me. You just heard that. Presty. How should we? Let's spell it Presty. So if Preston ever watches this video, which they probably won't, your new name for me is Presty. I hope you like the name. I haven't tried. I didn't try. Oh, I have Mischief. Or Suspicion. I have no idea what the word is, okay? It's her. It's her. I know it's her. You can't judge. No, it's them! Oh! Oh, God! Oh, God! Dang it, I couldn't run. I could have been the savior! You know, I could have been something. Already 4 minutes, dang. It's not that bad. Let's see your statics. Or statistics. I don't know. Experience. A lot. Game played. 960, almost 1,000. Victories, 495. Coins earned. That's a lot. Murders, 514. Deaths, 495. Oh my god. Yeah, I play this game a lot. As you can tell, I play it a lot. And, say goodbye to the TV, because we're not gonna need the TV anymore to record some videos. Because, TV, I can watch YouTube on it now all day long. Oh, I'm supposed to call my mom! Hold on. Let me text my mom real quick. I'll edit this out. Okay, I'm in. I'm back. Like I said, I will edit this out. Just because, you know, Oh! It's Duck! It's Mr. Duck! I'm gonna wait to, look, this guy just literally, yeah, you, come on, get over, ah! I didn't see that. Flip. Plus, there was no way to dodge anyways, right? Yeah. I want some watermelon! You want my watermelon? You want my watermelon, Steve? You want my watermelon? Do you want my watermelon? Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm probably blowing the mic. I'm probably blowing my computer's mic. I'm just trying to talk loud, just so you guys can hear me. And, you know, I'm not a loud talker at all. I am a quiet talker. I talk like this. Let me give you an example. I talk like this. Like, literally. I talk literally like this. I bet you couldn't even hear what I said. So, I'm putting effort into talking like this. Like, it's not, like, it's kind of hurting to do this, because I'm kind of having a, I'm kind of having that. What? Oh, no. Oh, no, it's them. Okay, run and go, go. Is it them? It's them. Oh, God. Bro, it's them. Bro, I bet this guy's like, what? It's them. It is them. Are they gone? Oh, no. Oh, they're over there. Ah! I'm just gonna scare this guy. Bro, no! You're going in the trap. Oh, no, the sheriff's there. The sheriff is in there? Oh, wow, you just went to... Oh, no, how are we supposed to do this? It looks like he's killing everybody that tries to... Oh, got it! I got it! Get over here! Flick! I can't talk like that, man. And plus, I didn't get the flip thing from Unspeakable. Love you, Unspeakable. You're a great YouTuber. But I did not get that from Unspeakable. That is just from me. That is from me. Like, instead of me saying the F word, I just say flip just to get my anger out. I know, I'm weird. Okay, this will be the last round. Not much has been going on. I just wanted to show you guys this new thing I finally found. And like I said, it's pretty awesome. I love it so much. So, because we're already at like 9 minutes, so this would be the last one. We're gonna find out who the murderer is. I mean, like, if it's too short, like if it's not even a minute long, then we won't do it. I have mischief. Well, I was gonna say Steve, but you heard a murder, so. Hey, whoa. Is it her? It's her. Yeah, look, me and him are pointing like it's her, bro. It's her. What if I was just sheriff? It's like, wait, hold on. This would be an epic movie. Minecraft. I'm the sheriff. The murder. That came out just like that. Is that the way? Are you even alive, sir? No, they're dead. They're not moving. What I mean by dead, they're not moving. It's her! She's moving in circles, waiting to murder. She's wanting blood. She wants blood. Probably not. I mean, like, she's probably... Oh, wait, it's not her, it's her. She wants blood. She wants death. What I'm doing. Okay, we're at 10 minutes, but almost 11 minutes. Oh, it's not her, okay. She does not want blood, or murder, or death. I don't know what I'm doing. I just want views. That's why I'm doing this. Oh, coin. Bro, don't be looking at me. Don't be looking at me, bro. Okay. Hi, how's it going? I'm George. This guy's just staring at me like, who the fuck is this guy? Oh, wait, can we see this guy in real life? Can we see his colors? I want to see this guy's colors. He's not even here. Oh, okay. Alright, well, wait, can I... No, I can move it. Here we go. So, this will be it for today's video. I hope you all like this video. Do whatever YouTubers tell you to do, like subscribe, post notifications, whatever they tell you to do. But I hope you all have a great day, and, goodbye. Be safe and all of that, and like I said, goodbye.